Welcome to Acholi TV. It's Martin O'Brien and we are coming to you just from our systems update. I can confirm to you that our audio, both hardware and software, is now fully upgraded and perfect. We are ready to bring you the highest quality reporting as we track the biggest stories in the land. The race for the speakership of the 12th Parliament has reached a boiling point just hours before the House convenes tomorrow, May 25th. Justice Minister and Democratic Party President Norbert is hitting back at what he calls malicious attempts to derail his candidacy. Mao has officially denounced a via social media statement that claimed he had withdrawn from the race. He flagged the account operating under the hand of Mao for Speaker as a social media machinery designed to create confusion. Far from stepping down, Mao is vowing to pursue his bid to the very end, framing his run as a fight for parliamentary independence and moral restoration. He has even challenged the NRM to invite him to their caucus to discuss the future of the legislature, arguing that leadership should be based on competence rather than just party affiliation. While Mao fights the propaganda war, the ground is shifting rapidly within the NRM. Defense Minister Jacob Maction's Oboth-Oboth, as you really know, has emerged as a powerhouse contender following a massive surge of support from the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU. General Moses Kangaba's movement, like you know, has officially withdrawn its earlier backing for the status quo, shifting its full weight behind Oboth-Oboth. This endorsement was made loud and clear at a massive Thanksgiving ceremony in Mukono, where over 300 MPs reportedly signaled their support for the minister. The move has sent shockwaves through the establishment, leaving out outgoing Speaker Annette Among and Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa in a precarious position as they await final instructions from the party hierarchy, but Moses backed Thomas Tayebwa. But Mao clearly said these are the 14 people who will make the final recommendation of who should be Speaker of Parliament. The previous recommendation gave way to the pressure of public opinion. Today, they will either be true or false, the same public sentiment. They need our prayers, but the biggest burden lies on the shoulders of the whole man with a heart who has the mandate of an overwhelming number of Ugandans. Partly, quoted his own post, the choice is clear: patriotism or partisanship. So all eyes remains fixed in State House, where the NRM Central Executive Committee is locked in deliberation. As Mao noted, the ultimate burden of this decision lies with the whole man with a heart. That's President Yoweri Museveni. The president must now balance the traditional party loyalty of his veteran cadres against the aggressive, reform-minded momentum of the PLU wing and Mao's calls for a multi-party consensus. You may ask yourself what's at stake. This isn't just about a seat, it's about the direction of the 12th Parliament. With the Protection of Sovereignty Act 2026 recently passed and a wave of new legislation on the horizon, the next speaker will hold the keys to Uganda's legislative agenda for the next 5 years. Tomorrow's vote will be presided over by the Chief Justice